Young versus mature Filipinas. What is the shocking difference for a foreigner dating them?
I wouldn't date a guy who wouldn't provide for me.
Age doesn't really matter as long as you need to find the woman that is
Not required, but I think it's a bare minimum for a man to provide for the girl.
Your 23 years old daughter brought home a foreigner who is 60 years old. What will be your reaction? What are your names and ages?
I'm Mel, 20 years old.
I'm Gab, 20 years old.
Young versus mature Filipinas. What is the shocking difference for a foreigner dating them?
For me, young women wants to explore more in dating. They don't want to
It's okay.
Mature women, they want to have a peaceful life, more on marriage, and then to settle because of their age, and also mature means they are old, and not very old but mature in age, so they want to settle a happy life, not about money and rich. Yeah.
young women wants to explore more in life. They want to have more experiences. They don't want to settle in relationships, so they look for more experiences that they want to see in foreigners. And for mature women, I think that they want to find stability, and they want to look for someone they can live with until they get old.
Okay. Would you prefer a man who provides everything, or do you want to be a strong, independent woman with your own career?
For me, I want to be that strong woman and with own career, because I know that things in life are not permanent. So if I will depend to my partner, the man with all the needs that he will provide to me, I think I will suffer in the future if I will only depend on her. So I will rather choose to be a strong woman and independent, to have my own money and resources.
For me, I also want to be a strong, independent woman. I don't want to depend on men, especially in life, because I know we are women, and things in life don't depend on genders.
If you are 100% independent, does that mean you are also 100% happy paying for half of every date, half of the rent, and half of all the bills? Or do you still expect the man to pay?
I think that's a bare minimum for a man to pay everything for their partner, especially when you are in a marriage, because as a man you need to provide all. But what I've said earlier, to be independent, is based on a situation that we if ever you will separate like that. But in terms of a healthy relationship, the man in the marriage is not required, but I think it's a bare minimum for a man to provide for the girl or for for his partner.
So in relationship, I think it's different. Being a strong, independent woman doesn't really um tells you that you need to pay for 100%. It means being able to live with yourself, strong and independent. But in relationships, it's different, because when in relationship, the man should really provide, but also we can provide also, but it is more on man centered.
If a foreigner is 50 years old, should he look for a woman in her 20s or her 40s?
For me, age doesn't matter with that, as long as you're in a legal age. since here in our country, I think it is normalized for everyone and a lot of people. And I think for me it is okay um as long as it is good, and I mean, there is no bad thing about it, like it is healthy, yeah, like that. And I think it is all right for me, for the foreigners to find a woman in that age range, as long wait lang. Puro as long. Sorry, cut.
For me, same, because age doesn't really matter as long as you need to find the woman that is ready. It doesn't mean she's 20, she's not ready. You need to really learn more about the woman that you want to date. So age doesn't matter.
So basically, he can look someone, in her 20s or 40s, it doesn't matter. Do you think a 20-year-old Filipina could be mature?
For me, yes.
Okay.
Since I'm a 20, and a lot of my friends that I know is in a young age, but they are mature, and Filipina is have the ability to mature faster. So I guess that age doesn't matter, really, really. So it's either a mature or young Filipina can give that foreigner,
The maturity.
yeah, the maturity. Yes.
Okay. Are you both single or do you have boyfriends?
She is single.
Okay. You're in a relationship.
Yeah.
How long have you been single?
Months.
Okay. Both are in college, right?
Yes.
What are you studying?
Um we are taking up nursing. Yeah.
Okay. What year are you now?
Second year.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Stacy. I'm 21 years old.
Okay. Young versus mature Filipinas, what is the shocking difference for a foreigner dating them?
The shocking experience. First, I don't have any experience in dating a foreigner, but I think I would have to say the older Filipino women have more experience in communicating with them and blending with them. I think that's it po.
Okay.
Versus in the younger Filipino women, they don't have much experience with them. So maybe dun po yung big difference when it comes to dating po.
Would you prefer a man who provides everything, or do you want to be a strong, independent woman with your own career?
Well, for me, I am more of a career woman, but I wouldn't date a guy who wouldn't provide for me.
Okay. Okay, how about this one? If you are 100% independent, does that mean you are also 100% happy paying for half of every date, half of the rent, and half of all the bills? Or do you still expect the man to pay?
Well, for me, I grew up with my father who provides everything for us family. So for me, um, like I said, parang I pay for my maintenance, so I wouldn't say na parang high maintenance din ako.
English ba?
I am high. But in that case, yun mo, yung sinabi ko na I grew up with my father who provides for everything na, and I think he sets the standard for me.
If a foreigner is 50 years old, should he look for a woman in her 20s or her 40s?
Well, I think he should look for a woman who's up in his standards. Either the if he wants to look for someone younger and um fresher, then then I think you should go for it.
You're 21 years old, still in college.
Yes.
What are you taking, Be?
Hospitality.
Single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Why is that?
I have a really tightened family that I just don't need someone to add yet. Like I'm happy with my family and friends pa that I'm choosing to be solo for now.
Okay. When do you see yourself ready to, for a relationship?
Well, I'm open to experience. I am just not finding the right one. Yeah.
What are you looking for in a guy?
Someone who is mature and healed.
What is your name and how old are you?
Heidi, 57 years old.
Ate Heidi, young versus mature Filipinas, what is the shocking difference for a foreigner dating them? Ano po yung pagkakaiba, Ate Kang? So, mature sa ating
Bicol na lang.
po?
Pili Bicol na lang kasi pag... Dahil para sa ko, mas maganitong may edad na, matured na. Di ka na ma-adjust kang aram niya na ang gabos na kung ano ang dapat.
Okay.
Kansa itong aki pa, tutukluan mo pang maray.
So, Ate says that matured women, it's better because you don't have to adjust, you don't have to teach them what to do, unlike the younger Filipinas. So, in other words, the matured one, they know already, they know everything.
Oo.
Mm-hmm.
Pag ano kaya, pag yung kayong mga hubin pa, siyempre, grabe pa ang adjust mo kwenta. Mga gulpi pa na ding aram.
Yeah. So, Ate added that when she's younger, she doesn't know much in life. So, you have to adjust. Okay. Next po, Ate. Okay. If a foreigner is 50 years old, should he look for a woman in her 20s or her 40s? Kung yung foreigner po, Ate, 50 years old po siya, 50 anyos, dapat ba siyang maghanap ng babae na nasa 20s or nasa 40?
Oo, pwede. Sa 20 plus na araw ka yan. 20, pwede pa.
Okay. Okay, so 20s.
Pero pag mga 40 na kaya, agaro, naman yan yung ano yan. Lalo na kung nangangarap pa ngayon gusto mag-aaki pa. Oo.
Okay, 20s, yes, but 40s, it's gonna have a difficulty when having children. That's what Ate says. Ate, do you have kids? Like, daughters? May aki ka pong babae, Ate.
Ikaw ha,
Okay. How many daughters?
4.
4. She got 4 daughters. How old are your daughters, Ate?
Ano na, nasa 30 plus na.
30 plus. All of them are in their 30 plus.
30, 37, all that.
The youngest po,
23.
23. I have a question, Ate. Okay. For example, Ate, your 23 years old daughter brought home a foreigner who is 60 years old. What will be your reaction? Halimbawa, nag-uli ate ning foreigner so aki mo na 23 years old, nag-uli siya ning 60 years old foreigner. Ano ang magiging reaction mo?
Okay lang, wala man problema. Basta itong, dahil lang siya pabayaan na itong ano. Kung maray man baga kung iba na nindandua, ano man kaya.
It's no problem as long as he's gonna take care of her.
Ang sakit lang, kung ang 60, tapos may ilang na nga, tama nun, tapos may pang pag-anap buhay na
The only bad side is if he is 60 years old and he's already sick, like he has disease, like that, and he doesn't have job. So that's the only problem about it. Okay. But if it's yeah, that's it. Okay. So that's Ate's reaction. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Ate. Thank you for your time and for your honesty. Thank you so much. You're going home po. You're going home.
Time out ako sa trabaho ko.
Oh, time out. She's gonna time out from her job. Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Hi everyone. Hopefully we have earned your subscription. And also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye!